decimal expansion of some real numbers are given below. Okay, decimal expansions are given below. In each case, decide whether the number is rational or not. Okay, we need to write whether the given decimals are rational numbers or not. If it is rational, they can be expressed in p by q form. What can you say about the prime factors of q? What can you say about the prime factors of the denominator? Okay, now see, we know rational numbers, the decimal expansion, the decimal form will be either terminating or non-terminating repeating, right? So terminating decimals and non-terminating repeating decimals are rational numbers, right? Whereas non-terminating non-repeating will be irrational numbers. So in this case 43.123456789. So is it a terminating decimal or non-terminating repeating or non-terminating non-repeating? It is a terminating decimal, isn't it? Because after 9 it is not continuing, isn't it? So this is terminating. If it is terminating, it is rational number, isn't it? So this is a rational number. Okay, we know that in p by q form of a rational number, in p by q form of a terminating decimal, q will be in the form of 2 power n 5 power m, isn't it? So what can you say about the prime factors of q? In this one, the prime factors of q will be in the form of 2 power n 5 power m. Alright, we can say that because it is a terminating decimal. Okay, now 0.12012001200012000. Okay, it is non-terminating. And is it repeating? No, it is not repeating. Okay, so it is, see, non-terminating non-repeating are actually irrational numbers, right? So it is an irrational number. It cannot be expressed in p by q form, right? Okay, now this one 43.123456789 bar. Okay, that means this part is repeating, right? Okay, we know that non-terminating repeating are rational numbers. So this is a rational number. Now that means it can be expressed in p by q form. Yes, it can be expressed. Now what can we say about the prime factors of q? See, it is non-terminating repeating. So q will not be in the form of 2 power n 5 power m. The prime factors of q will not be in the form of 2 power n 5 power m. Okay, that's why it is non-terminating repeating. If the denominator was in the form of 2 power n 5 power m, it would be terminating, right? We have learned this in the previous videos. I recommend you go watch those videos also. Okay.